snack. Gotta be a snack. Gotta be a snack.
Hello, my name is Brigad Mushi from Mzumbe University, main campus Morogoro. Before you have watched this video, you have to subscribe the channel, like and comment, and don't forget to share. The aim of this short clip is to introduce to you the application, which is you can install it within your Android phone, any mobile phone, smartphone I mean. This application is known as SIM Banking. A SIM Banking is an application introduced by CRDB whereby the more intention is to minimize the constraints or drawbacks of their transaction to their customers. So this application, you can download it through your mobile phone, I mean your smartphone. For example, the one who using Android phone. Direct, you have to go to your Play Store, as you see here, but make sure your internet access. Yes. Then after, to search known as SIM Banking. SIM Banking. As you see, you tap it. Yeah, there it is. Because on my side within my phone I've already installed, that's why it has already come here and tell me to open. So when you are download it within your phone, it will direct bring to you. You have to install, download it and install. But because it is already installed inside my phone, that's why it has displayed like this. So what you have to do, you open the application after you have installed. Then it displays salary advance, mkopo papo hapo popote pale ulipo. And then this is a menu. So after you have opened the application, there is a interface which will come. You have to write your mobile number, and then after you have to write your serial number, I mean your PIN number, your account number for the one who have opened CRDB account. Then after there you have to verify, I mean to confirm. Then you have to write your account number. Then you have to verify again. After there, the option, it will come the option of writing the OTP number. The OTP number, you get it after you have gone to your phone, I mean to your dial pad, after you have pressed star 150 star 03 slash, I mean no slash. Yes. Then after, it will display a menu there, then you will follow the instruction. That is about the login interface. Then this is what the important things which is being provided by this application. There is a service, the scan to pay, history, quick loans, QR payments, ATM. I will leave these all 5 parts: service, scan to pay, history, QR payment, and ATM. But I will main concern with quick loans, and on which this is an important thing which is concerned with this short clip video, whereby the quick loan provided by CRDB, I mean this interface you see quick loans, when you tap here, you will get you get an interface, right? Personal loan, salary advance, pension advance, Fahari float, boom advance. Most of university students, most of them have not been aware of this application, whereby you can, for the one who have beneficiary to the loan board, the one who have beneficiary to the boom, they could get the loan there before the boom before you have signed for your boom. So what you have to do here, this boom advance, you can get your advance, the small amount of money where you'll borrow from CRDB before you have signed for your boom. So what you have to do, you press the boom advance here, then after you press for the boom advance, then after it will bring an option of signing, whereby it will tell you to write your mobile number, your PIN number, your PIN number for the account, and then your account number, then your OTP number. After there, you'll be able to borrow the money. So this is more beneficial to those people who are beneficial to the loan body. So if you are beneficial to the loan body and then you have boom, before you have signed for your first boom or for your second boom, maybe you have made the depression time, because a lot of students nowadays, they finish their money before the time. So when you get yourself finish the money before the time, so you can come here and then you borrow the money from CRDB. Then after you have signed for your boom, you return or you pay back for the money. So this is a little explanation of this application. So what you have to do, you have to install the application, sign in, then after you go direct to this place and then you borrow the money. It takes only 5 to 6 minutes to finish up the transaction. So that's all. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, comment, and don't forget to download the application. It is more beneficial to you people.
I got extra care in my pocket. You know me how, you give me the heart. Since I told you regreta, let me be your wine and you be my whiskey. And baby, whenever you're hungry, I'll be